Ever thought of using coffee to dye your hair? Yes, you heard it right. Coffee, aside from being your morning companion, can also be your hair's best friend. This DIY method might just be the answer for those seeking a subtle change or wanting to add natural depth and dimension to their hair color. Intrigued? Let's dive in. First things first, prepare the coffee dye mixture. Brew a strong pot of coffee, even stronger than what you'd drink. Once it has cooled down completely, you can add in a bit of conditioner. This not only aids in application but also provides a nourishing treat for your hair. Next, section your hair and make sure to protect your skin with an old towel or cloth. It's also a good idea to wear gloves to steer clear of those coffee-stained hands. Now comes the fun part. Apply the coffee mixture to your hair using a brush or applicator bottle. Make sure it covers all areas where you want to see that color. If you're going for a subtle tint, let it sit for about an hour. If you want more intensity, leave it on for several hours or even overnight. Remember, the longer it stays, the richer the color. Once you've achieved the desired color depth, rinse your hair thoroughly. Don't forget to follow up with a conditioner to keep your hair soft, hydrated, and happy. Craving a deeper color? Feel free to repeat the process a few times. Make sure to dry your hair completely between each application. The color will gradually build up with each round. To keep that coffee color vibrant, consider rinsing your hair with leftover cooled coffee or use a coffee rinse after shampooing. Just a quick heads up, coffee may not drastically change the color of dark hair. It's a perfect match for brunettes seeking subtle highlights or a rich warm tone. Always do a strand test first to see how your hair takes to the coffee dye. There you have it. A gentle, natural method to add depth and dimension to your hair using coffee. Play around with brewing strengths and times to achieve your desired results. If you found this video helpful, thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty and DIY hair care tips. Don't forget to share your coffee-dyed hair experiences. Thanks for watching. Before we wrap up, we have something special for you. We know it can be a bit overwhelming to choose the right coffee for your hair dyeing. So we've done the legwork and curated a list of our favorite coffee products. These products are tried and tested, ensuring that you get the best results for your hair. Don't forget to check the description box below for links to these coffee products. Happy brewing, and may you have a wonderful hair dyeing experience. Stay tuned for more hair and beauty tips. Remember, your hair is your best accessory, so treat it well. See you in the next video.